Take a look at this. This is browned hamburger and a bunch of grease I need to get rid of. Here's a quick, easy way to dump this grease without messing up your kitchen, not even needing a container. Here's all you need: a paper towel, a little ladle, any kind of a cup, some metal foil. You take the cup, invert it, take the foil and form it around the cup, and then turn it back over. And you can take this metal foil cup, put it inside this one. Doesn't have to be perfect. Fold it down, and then you can see I have a chamber to pour the hot oil into. Later on it's going to go in the refrigerator and get hard. So now I'll go over and ladle it out. That last little puddle of oil, it's hard to get out of there, but I can take a paper towel and stuff it down into that oil and kind of soak up any oil that's on here. You can see, take that out, drop it into my reserve cup, and then take a look inside there. Clean as a whistle. Well, here it is. I'm all done. I've got my cup, just took it out of the freezer. The fat has hardened. Now I can take this and dump the innards into a compost heap. I can put it into the trash, do whatever I want, but it's not going to get grease and oil all over my kitchen. Hey, thanks for watching.